Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. Not far from Hop Hop's house, there's a dispenser full of brightly colored little marbles. Hi, Peck Peck. Do you want to take out a marble? Then you must push one of these colored buttons. You can't reach them? Let's bring a step stool. Hop! Now you can press one of the buttons. A red button for red marbles. And an orange button for orange marbles. The green and the blue buttons are for the green and blue marbles. And here comes Hop Hop. Peck Peck is giving him a spoon? Oh, the little woodpecker thinks the marbles are candy.
Freeze! This is not candy.
Peck Peck is disappointed. Don't get upset. You can play an interesting game with the marbles. Bring your bowl of marbles with you and follow Hop Hop.
A track for the marbles.
You start them off and they roll through.
What?
Hop Hop puts some marbles at the start of the track and presses the button. The balls roll down a transparent tube, along a winding groove, lower and lower. They make the spinner turn. Peck Peck wants to try too. So many marbles! Look how nicely they roll. Peck Peck is excited. Look, little birds, it's a whirlpool.
Uh-oh.
The marbles fall on the ground. One of the track's parts is missing. The little birds unload the truck and go to look for the missing part. Do you see anything, Peck Peck? Here it is! The ants are throwing berries into the funnel.
Hey, ants! That's part of our track. And we would like to play with it now, please.
The ants are upset.
Will you join us?
Of course! First, we need to attach the missing part. The truck pulls up to the end of the track. Peck Peck launches the marbles. Go! Through the transparent tube. Down the whirlpool. The winding grooves. Along the turns. Into the funnel. And up to a big wheel lift. It scoops up the marbles and then… bingo! The marbles made it to the finish line. They're all loaded safely into the truck. The little birds really like their new marble track game.
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop the owl. Peck the woodpecker is playing with his favorite little penguin. The toy penguin is crying.
Huh?
Hello, Hop.
Huh? Hello? Who's crying here?
It's the toy baby. Will you help calm him down? Let's try rocking him. There we go. Hop's doing really well. Peck, where are you going? Wow! The woodpecker has found a toy stroller. Let's go. They can take the penguin for a walk in the stroller. What's that? Warm clothes and a bottle. Oh! Peck, that's a toy bottle. It's not for you.
But this is for you.
The toy penguin is drinking the water and closing its eyes. Let's go for a walk. Hop doesn't have time for a walk. He needs to make the baby penguin's lunch.
Hop.
He needs a pan and a ladle. The stove. A cup of oats and a chef's hat. Let's pretend the oatmeal is going to be made out of colorful beads. Let's turn on the stove and stir the oatmeal.
Hey, tasty. Peck, oatmeal's ready. Hey!
Quick! It's lunchtime for the baby penguin.
What?
Let's put the oatmeal in a bowl.
Enjoy your oatmeal. All done? Let's go outside.
The birds have decided to push the baby penguin down the slide.
Let's go.
Hop will catch the baby at the end. Got him! Now you, Peck. It's so fun playing together, isn't it?
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop.
And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. Little Peck is going for a walk with his truck. And what is the truck carrying? Let's see. Some toys, animal figures, and colored balls. Hi, Peck. Have you brought some toys for Hop Hop? A new toy wagon and a house for animals.
A frog. Come this way. Hey there. Let's play together.
Peck really wants to play. He takes out the toys from the truck.
An elephant.
Which slot will the elephant fit in? The slot with the blue outline. That's right.
A lamb.
The lamb is also in the wagon. Do the balls fit in too? That's interesting. Here are more animals.
A rabbit. A koala. A lion. Roar. A cow. A kitten. Off we go.
But who's going to push the wagon, birds? You won't go far that way.
I have an idea.
An idea?
Just so.
The little owl detached the trailer from the truck. Now it's a tractor.
Push.
That was a great idea, Hop Hop. The tractor and the wagon are a great match. And Peck decided to use a rope with a magnet.
What?
The birds are taking the wagon with animals to a playground. Look, the ants want to have a ride in your wagon.
Get right
in. Be careful not to fall in the slots.
And up. Let's go.
Uh-oh! One of the ants fell in. He'll go to the playground in the wagon. A stop.
Unloading.
If you push the button, the wagon door opens. Careful, the balls. Hop Hop, are you all right?
Yes, I'm okay.
Then let's play.
Whoa.
The lion, the kitten, the elephant, the koala, the rabbit, the frog, the lamb, the cow. Peck, are there any more toys left? No? How about the balls? Where did the ant go? It's a slide for balls. Press the start button. The balls started rolling. Look how beautiful. It's great that the birds brought them to the playground.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
owl! Hop Hop the owl has brought a new toy. Hi, Hop Hop!
Huh?
Are you going to be a craftsman today? You have a really nice workbench.
But where are my tools?
They should be on the workbench, but they aren't. Who could have taken them? Ah, it's Peck. The little woodpecker is trying to hammer a bolt into a gear.
But this is a bolt. It has to be screwed in.
Which screwdriver do you think works best? The flathead screwdriver. That's right. Now, is Peck doing it right?
Yes.
Hop Hop, the tools are in the box now.
Let's go and play.
The birds are putting all the other tools into the box. Peck is pushing the box to the workbench. Let's put the tools in order.
Wait, a screwdriver, a hammer, a saw, a wrench.
But where is the crosshead screwdriver? Here it is. Peck is attaching gears to the workbench. The crosshead screwdriver is in the right place now. The gears are spinning. Peck makes a great craftsman. And what is this gear doing here? Or is it something else?
It's a circular saw. Look.
The toy circular saw cuts the magnet logs into pieces. Peck also wants to try.
Wait.
Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so many pieces.
Let's straighten up now.
They have to put all the little parts in the right slots. A triangle.
Hey! Up.
Ba-boom! Hammer it in.
A circle.
Bam!
A square.
Bonk!
And a triangle.
Boom!
Huh?
Peck liked it a lot. Another square? Hey, ants! Where are you carrying that plank? They can't hear. They are very busy.
Hi.
Now they've heard you.
Ah.
Hop took the plank
A bolt.
and started building something.
A nut. Another nut. And another bolt.
Hey, ants, do you know what Hop's built?
A swing set.
The ants are so lucky. They never had their own swing set to swing on before.
Uh-oh.
Mr. Craftsman, it looks like you have some more work to do.
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop the owl. This is Peck's house. Hello, little woodpecker. Where are you rushing off to? Ah, a new toy. A house for your animals. Look, it's a gray kitten. Shall we put it in the house? The door won't shut. Try one more time, Peck. Oh, it opened again. What should we do? Maybe Hop knows how to play with the house. Let's go! There are so many toys in the motorcycle's sidecar. The birds are saying hello. Such good manners.
It won't stay closed. We need a key.
That's a great idea, Hop. Hop's decided to have a look through his toys. What's he got? Careful, Ant. It's raining toys. Oh, and frogs.
Found it.
We can use the keys to lock and unlock the doors. The red key goes with the red door. There we go.
A yellow door. A yellow key.
Let's open it. Now who's going to live here? Let's find the right toy. That rock? No. That ant's definitely not a toy. The cow!
Moo!
The cow's going to live behind the yellow door.
Now for the purple door.
Peck wants to put a block in the house. The sheep's going to live there. We need the purple key. Only the green door's left. Who's going to live there? The frog!
Rabbit!
Hop's so funny! Let's lock that door now.
Everybody's home!
The cow and the sheep, and the frog and the kitten. Our little owl and woodpecker are cleaning up their toys. Time for Hop to get back home. The ball's been put away. And the blocks have too. Oh, here comes a ladybug. Let's show her who's living inside. The cow. Moo! The frog. Ribbit. The kitten.
Meow!
The sheep. Bah! Everybody's home.
Yay!
The birds are loading the house into the motorcycle. They're off to play with it at Hop's. Till next time, little birds.
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop the owl.
Hop Hop the owl and his friend Peck the woodpecker are going for a fun ride. Look, little birds. What's that the ants are playing with? They're rolling a green cylinder block on the grass. And there are lots more wooden blocks on the table. These are pieces of a game. The pieces must be stacked on the hemisphere block without tipping the balance. The pieces mustn't topple over.
Let's play.
Great! Where's the dice? Well done, Peck. But this one won't do. We need the dice with colored circles on its sides. Yes, this is the one. You won't be able to reach it with your wing.
Nope, you can't. You need a stick.
Hop Hop has a good idea. A stick can poke and move the block. Yes, it worked. Now we can play. Peck, do you want to go first?
You start.
You must roll the dice and see which circle comes up on top. Red. Peck must pick a red block. Choose one and put it on top of the hemisphere block. Hop Hop, now it's your turn.
Green.
Take a green block. Good job! Peck goes next. Yellow. He has to put a yellow piece on top. Did it work okay? Yes, the tower stayed up.
Orange.
Oh, the tower is wobbling. But it didn't fall. A mosquito! It's landed on the tower, and it's upsetting the balance. The tower toppled over. Sorry, Hop Hop. You lost.
That's not fair.
Don't get upset. Peck will catch the mosquito. Got him.
Mosquito, stop spoiling our game.
The mosquito understands. Wow, we have some new players. What color does the dice show? Green.
Hey, ants, do you want to play with us?
Of course! They've already rolled the dice. Green. Purple. Orange. You guys have yellow. Oh dear, the tower is leaning to the side. Hop Hop, your turn. Put a red piece on top. The mosquito's being helpful this time. He balanced the tower of blocks. Peck and ants, don't be disappointed. Next time, you could win. Oh, the mosquito is flying away. Kaboom!
Oh, no.
Now you can start the game all over again.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hop Hop is exercising.
Whee!
Jump! Hop Hop is jumping in the ball pit. Hop Hop!
Hi!
Hello? Are you looking for your friend? Here he is, running! Peck has also jumped into the ball pit. Now the birdies are playing together. Waves of balls. What's that?
Peck!
Look, Peck, a surprise. Oops! The surprise drowned. Get it, Hop Hop? Now instead of a little owl swimming in the ball pit, there's a blob of balls swimming. Peck is also looking for the orange surprise. Where did it go? Birdies? They found it! Birdies, do you know what you found?
A ball?
No, that's a ball. Peck thinks it's a balloon. Does it look like one? Not really.
Grape?
No, a grape is small and edible. Bon appetit! Keep thinking. What is it? Have you guessed, Hop Hop? The owl turned on the tablet.
An egg!
That's right, Hop Hop. It's an egg. And in this egg, there lived a baby bird. Then the baby bird hatched and grew up. Mommy birds sit on the eggs, and then baby birds hatch out of the eggs. Where did your orange egg go? Peck is sitting on it. You don't need to sit on toy eggs. Something's rattling inside. Let's just open it.
A boat!
Yes, there was a boat hidden in this toy egg. Let's put the boat into our sea of balls.
Toot toot!
Peck is blowing and the boat is moving. What are those, birdies?